Hey guys, it's Coral.
It's Jamie.
And today we have a special guest, the book discussion kit. The book discussion kit includes paperback copies of the book you chose.
And you also get
large print copies of the book you chose. But wait, there's more. It also comes with a special discussion guide. This discussion guide includes a summary of the book, questions for your book group, and read-alikes.
All this can be yours for the low cost of
$0. All you have to do is contact your Reader Center. You can call us at 405-801-4582. Your options we've linked below in the summary.
Call to reserve yours today. Hello and welcome to another episode of Books and Banter. I'm Jamie.
I'm Coral.
So today we're going to be talking about some books that are available as book discussion kits that we have at the library that you can reserve. So Coral, what is the book you read?
Yeah, so I read Before You Knew My Name by Jacqueline Bublitz. So Before You Knew My Name, it's a mystery, it's a thriller, but I think that it's kind of deeper than that. It strays a little bit into literary fiction. So if you've read a lot of mystery and thrillers in your book club, but maybe you want something that's gonna, spur maybe some different discussions about maybe true crime or about the way we treat, victims of violent crime in this country, I think this is a really good pick. So it follows two women. There's Alice. She just turned 18. And she is from Wisconsin. And then it follows Ruby, and she is from Australia. She's in her mid-30s. And they both arrived to New York City on the same day because they're both kind of running from what is going on in their home life. So they're looking for that second chance starts in New York City. And unfortunately, Alice is murdered. And Ruby is the one to discover her body. And this kind of sends Ruby into a little bit of a spiral because they don't know who this girl is that she's found. She's a Jane Doe at first. And Ruby is kind of desperate to put those pieces together because she kind of feels connected to Alice. And despite Alice dying in this book, she also remains a narrator for a lot of the books. She is still kind of a part of the story. So I think that's a really unique way to do kind of a mystery thriller. It really just focuses on the characters and who they are. And it focuses on how being associated with death kind of changes relationships. It changes the way that you see things. So definitely a little bit of a heavier topic for a book club. But I think you can have some really great discussions from this book. It's very moving. It's a very powerful book overall.
It sounds very thought-provoking.
It is. And, beyond the book discussion kit, if you aren't in a book club, but this book still sounds good to you, it is available in print in our system. We have the e-audiobook on Libby and Hoopla, and the e-book on Libby.
Nice. All right. So I read The Weight of Blood by Tiffany Jackson. This is teen fiction, and it is a retelling of Carrie. And I listened to the audio, and I would highly recommend the audio because there's a podcast within the story, and they have it's just a really good production value on this. I mean, I felt like I was listening to like a real podcast or like episode of Dateline or something. Like it was just really good production value. So it's about a girl named Maddie, and she is kind of like the weird girl at school. She's kind of a social outcast. And she lives with her white father, and she has a secret, and her father tells her like to never let her hair get wet. And then, but there was an unexpected rainstorm at school, and she gets caught in the rain, and her secret is out after her hair gets wet. Maddie is biracial, but she's been passing as white. And so, she's already kind of thought of as the weird girl. So the fact that she was keeping this secret, people kind of think, she's even weirder. So then there is a viral bullying video happens. And so the town definitely has some issues of racism. And they've even held segregated proms. But after this video goes viral, the school decides to host an integrated prom as a show of unity. And so there is a popular girl who convinces her popular quarterback boyfriend to take Maddie to the prom. And of course, if you have seen Carrie or if you've read the book, you know what's going to happen. There's there's gonna be some destruction again. Yeah. I thought this book was very engrossing. Like even though kind of what's going to happen, I still was curious like how they're going to get there, and I thought it was really good retelling of Carrie. And as far as for book clubs, for book discussion, I mean, you've got racism theme, bullying, and also like complicated family relationships. So yeah, I this was one of my like 5-star reviews on Goodreads, so I loved this book. It is, as besides being a book kit, it is also available in print and in audio on and ebook on both Libby and Hoopla.
Oh wow!
So, but all right,
lots of options.
Yeah.
And if you're interested in a book club, but maybe you're not ready to start one of your own, you'd rather just join one, Pioneer Library System has so many great book clubs all across the system. We have virtual book clubs that meet over Zoom. So if maybe you aren't able to travel to a branch, you have that option. We have ones that obviously meet in branches. We have ones themed to science fiction. We have ones that meet at different businesses around the town. So maybe if you want to, go somewhere different, you have that option. In 2025, we're celebrating Jane Austen's 250th birthday. So we're going to have a Jane Austen book club all year. So if you've always wanted to read the classics, this is your opportunity. But overall, we have a lot of great options. And in addition, we know that not every book is for every person. We encourage you to look at the content of these books. We both kind of discussed maybe heavier books today, but we encourage you to ask a librarian or to watch some of our other videos for different options. So we will see you next time. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.